Hello Ramblers! We're back here on Carnival Day. Did one before, where it was set in the earlier morning, now it is going. So here we are. The kids' rides are going round now. You can see. Getting a bit busier up here on the market. I'll have a crossover. There you can see the big, the extreme going round and round. The Sizzler up and running now. Forget. Bucks and Wells dressing Queen, going down, ready to get the Queen on. Forget, get your lucky ticket. You're loading up now. Ghost train again. Oh kids, now we're coming back up to the waltzers. Let's see them getting spun. Here we go. The energy's building up. I'm getting more and more excited. Viewers. Another hour. You won't be able to move. There's the waltzers going round. There's Tommy Truman, the legend. There we go. What's better than getting spun around while you're going around? They're loving it. They're loving it, them lot. Right, let's carry on. Let's go to the Miami. Folk queuing there. No. That's there, we'll just zoom out, people. No. Got a couple on. Sneaky looking the waltzers. There's the jump and smile. That's there. Peaking up nicely, the music's pumping. I'm going to have to talk loud trying to go over this, hopefully I don't get copyrighted. There's the Dodgers, no one on yet, there's a few, they're going to wait till it fills up. Obviously there's the extreme. No one on that, how tall do you have to be? 1.4 metres it said here. There we go. 1.4 metres to ride the extreme. Yeah, let's have a walk around this way. There's the extreme. How much is that to go on? There we go, let's have a look. £7 for that, that's got to be worth it. High steaks everywhere open, doing the cooking. Let's have a quick look just up here near to the Queen. Outside bar there for the vault. You can enjoy it, lads. Come on! Might be raining, the brollies are out, but it will not dampen the spirits of Bucks and Carnival. Not a chance. It is going to take more than a bit of rain to dampen the spirits of the Buxtonians. There's the Queen's head. Surprised that's not as packed outside, but it is raining. See if we can't just have a quick butchers in the side. Just see how it's filling up. Let's have a little nosy. There, we've got a few in. A few in here, they're going to be loving it. Go back down, zoom in, let's see. in the background there. You can see more of them, more of the rides. Still a bit of traffic on the roads, that'll all stop soon. Here we go, let's catch this. Zoom out and see what we got here. How is that? Oh, look at that. Teenagers will be loving that today, if you can afford it. Now we're coming back down the other side now. More carnival goers. Is it now? It's 1:10. Kicks off with the runners at 2 o'clock. Do the 4-mile run before it starts, before the procession starts. Still quite a bit of traffic, that's all going to be seen soon. Cross back over. Have a quick look, see if it's building up at the Eagle yet. We go through more of the kids' rides. No, not yet, doesn't look open. In years gone by you won't be able to move through here, it's not even open. I know it had shut down, but I thought it had reopened by now. That was the plan. Yeah! Hey look, you're enjoying it! Have a good carnival, lad! There we go. There we are, lads on free cow. Hey lads, you're it! Hooking up, plenty of folk round that. Hooking up. YouTube, gamble with Rob. Gamble with rum. Have a good day. First copper routine is there's getting on him. The first one on the phone. Don't look like that's police work to me. Let's crack on. There we go on the Sizzler, that's filling up nicely. That goes fast. All of them go fast around here. There we go round here now. You in, I'm starting to fill up a bit. Surprised there's not more folk outside yet. But with the rain they're probably leaving it to the last minute. Now then. That's the fair. This is Buxton Marketplace an hour before the carnival starts. Don't forget, hit the likes, hit the subscribe, it's absolutely free, it doesn't cost you a penny. And hit for notifications of all the great content from Rambles with Rub. Ramblers, rub out for now.